Hello friends, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss top 100 plus MCQ on which subject? On pharmaceutical jurisprudences. So, how are you all? Are you excited for today's session? Today we are going to conduct top 100 plus questions, which is most repeated question or mostly asked question in this series. Okay? So, the first question is the life period of drug dealt in. The life period of drug dealt in. Schedule Q, Schedule P, Schedule M, Schedule N. Schedule P, Schedule Q, Schedule P, Schedule M, Schedule N. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. Schedule P. Life period of drug. Life period of drug comes under Schedule P. What is Schedule P1? Schedule P1 मीन्स क्या होता है? Schedule P1 में क्या आता है? Pack size of drug. Pack size of drug. Pack size of drug comes under Schedule P1. Okay. Next question. Schedule M में क्या आता है? Schedule M में क्या आता है? GMP, that is Good Manufacturing Practices. Schedule M में दो पार्ट होते हैं. Schedule M में दो पार्ट होते हैं, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2. पार्ट 1 में क्या आता है? गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस. गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस. एंड पार्ट 2 में क्या आता है? रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्लांट. रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्लांट. Schedule M. Schedule कौन सा स्केड्यूल की बात कर रहे हैं? Schedule M पार्ट 2. ओके. Schedule M1 में क्या आएगा? Schedule M1 में आता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ होम्योपैथिक ड्रग. Schedule M1 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ होम्योपैथिक ड्रग. नेक्स्ट Schedule 10 में क्या आता है? Schedule 10 में क्या आता है? यान लिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट. लिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट टू रन द फार्मेसी. टू रन फार्मेसी इन Schedule 10. लिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट टू रन फार्मेसी. Schedule Q में क्या आता है वो आपको बताना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी in certain cases are carried only by filling the blanks under Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. The options are here: any doctor, any physician, registered medical practitioner for this purpose, and the last one, registered pharmacist. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Registered medical practitioner for this purpose. Next question. The Scheduled H drug belong to the narcotic drug, dangerous drug, imported drug, list of prescription drug. The Scheduled H belongs to the list of prescription drug. List of prescription drug. Next question. For the manufacturing of cosmetic license is granted in. For the manufacturing of cosmetic license is granted in form number 25C, form number 20D, form number 20D, form number 30. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. For the manufacturing of cosmetic license is granted in form number 32. Next question. Sera, vaccine and toxin come under the schedule O, P, both A and B, or C. Which one is correct? Sera, vaccine, toxin come under the schedule C. Come under the schedule E. Sera, vaccine and toxin come under the schedule C. In which schedule? C. Sera vaccine toxin antigen antitoxin are tested at. You know where it is tested at? It is tested at Central Research Institute, Kasauli. Central Research Institute, Kasauli. Sera vaccine toxin antigen antitoxin are tested at Central Research Institute, Kasauli. Got it? Next, where is intrauterine device are tested? Intrauterine device IUD tested at Central Drug Testing Laboratory, Thane. Central Drug Testing Laboratory, Thane. IUD, that is intrauterine device. Intrauterine device. Next, where is Central Drug Research Institute is situated? Central Drug Research Institute is situated at Lucknow. कहाँ पे situated है? At Lucknow. Central Drug Research Institute. Where is Central Drug Laboratory situated? Central Drug Laboratory is situated at Calcutta. Where is situated? It is situated at Calcutta for the analysis of drug and cosmetic. Analysis of drug and cosmetic. Next question. Question number 6. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act was passed in. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act was passed in 1985, 1963, 1940, 1938. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. 1985. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances comes under the Schedule X. In which schedule? Schedule X. उसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल केटामाइन. विच वन? केटामाइन. Ketamines come under the Schedule X, come under the Schedule M, that is narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. This is general anesthetic. Ketamine क्या है ये? General anesthetic. It is shortly acting. It is shortly acting and it causes hallucination. It causes hallucination. Next question. Symbol XR is important. Labeling in requirement of scheduled drug. Schedule K, Schedule Y, Schedule X, Schedule P. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Schedule X. Schedule X. What is NRX? What is NRX? NRX means क्या होता है? New prescription required. What is NRX? New prescription required. Okay. What is XRX? What is XRX? XRX, that is general labeling of drug. What is XRX? General labeling of drug. Got it? Next question. Schedule B of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 is related to the first, rate of the fee for test and analysis. B, life period of drug. C, standard of cosmetic. D, list of prescription drug. List of prescription drug comes under the Schedule H. Life period of drugs, Schedule P. Standard of cosmetic इसमें आता है. Tell me. Rate so correct option for the question number 8, Schedule B of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 is related to the rate of fee for the test and analysis. Rates of fee for the test and analysis. Okay. ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट वॉज पास इन, ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट कब पास हुआ था? 1940, बट डेट क्या है? 10th ऑफ अप्रैल। और उसके रूल्स कब आए थे? रूल्स कब आए थे इसके? एनीवन? रूल्स आए थे इसके 19 क्या, एक सेकेंड, आई थिंक 1955 है इसके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, schedule to which list of drug to be sold on the prescription only belong to the Schedule L, Schedule W, Schedule X, Schedule M. In which schedule list of drug to be sold on the prescription only? That is Schedule L. Schedule L. Next, उसका आंसर क्या है? रूल्स का 1945, अभी याद है, 1955 नहीं, 1945 है। रूल्स का कम्स इन 1945 और एक्ट कब आया था? 1940। विच डेट? ऑन विच डेट? 10th ऑफ अप्रैल 1940, DNC एक्ट। ओके, नेक्स्ट, ये तो हो गया ना स्केड्यूल एल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ड्रग एंड मैजिक रेमेडिक एक्ट वॉज पास इन, ड्रग एंड मैजिक रेमेडिक एक्ट वॉज पास इन 1956, 1954, 1952, 1953. In which year? Which one is correct option? 1954. Next question, this scheduled in the Drug and Cosmetic Act that deals with a requirement and guideline for the clinical trial, import, manufacture of new drug is Schedule P, Schedule M, Schedule F, Schedule Y. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct, Schedule M. Next question, the schedule for good manufacturing practices and the requirement of factory premises for the manufacture of belongs drug, that is Schedule X, Schedule W, Schedule L, Schedule M. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct, Schedule M. Next question, Drug Price and Control Order, that is DPO, was exercised by the central government in 1985, 1995, 1987, 1997. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct, 1995. The DPO was exercised by the central government in 1995. Next question, the Drug and Cosmetic Act was passed in, अभी तो बताया कब पास हुआ है? 1940. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रूल्स कब आए थे? 1945. पास कब हुआ था? 1940. डेट कौन सी थी? 10th अप्रैल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गवर्नमेंट एनालिस्टिक्स मीन्स क्या होता है? हु अपॉइंट बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, बी इन रिलेशन टू द आयुर्वेदिक, सिद्धा एंड यूनानी ड्रग, सी इन रिलेशन टू द other drug or the cosmetic, D all of the above. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct, all of the above. Government analytic means option A भी correct है, B भी and C भी, all are correct. ठीक है, फिर से पढ़ लेना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट 1940 एंड रूल, देखो यहाँ पे आ भी गया, एंड रूल 1945 कंटेन द स्टडी ऑफ स्केड्यूल. कौन से स्केड्यूल की स्टडी करते हैं? इन ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट A, D, X और P5. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct, Schedule X. Next question, medicinal and toilet preparation, that is exercise duty act was passed in which year? 1950, 1955, 1960 or 1965? Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. 1955. Medicinal and toilet preparation, 1955. Next question. The name of registered pharmacist can be removed from the register by the executive committee if it is found that. Which one is correct? Option A. His name has been entered by the error or an account of misprintation or the suppression of material act. B में क्या पूछा है? He has been convicted of any offences or has been guilty of any infamous conduct in any professional respect. And C. Both A and B. And D. None of the above. Which one is correct? Option number C. Both A and B. Next question. Who was the chairman of committee which was appointed to see into the problem of pharmacy in India and recommended the measure to be tackled? Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Which committee? आर्यन चोपड़ा कमिटी. कौन सी कमिटी थी? आर्यन चोपड़ा कमिटी. Next question. Which is the oldest act about the drug? Dangerous Drug Act, Opium Act, Poisonous Act, Drug Act. Which one is correct? Which is the oldest act about the drug? Oldest act कौन सा है? Opium Act. Which one is correct? That is Opium Act. Next question. The sale price of bulk drug is fixed by Patent Act, MAPE calculation, Factories Act 1948 and DPCO. Which one is correct? Option number D. Drug Price and Control Order, that is DPCO. Sale price of bulk drug is fixed by DPCO, Drug Price and Control Order. Next question. The Act Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances include the study of. The narcotic drug and psychotropic substances include the study of manufacture of opium and other narcotic drug, sale of opium, import and export of narcotic drug, and all of the above. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. All of the above. सब आता है. NRX में क्या आता है? अभी बताया था. एक सेकेंड. NRX में क्या आता है? नार्कोटिक ड्रग. NRX नार्कोटिक ड्रग, सॉरी वो वाला न्यू प्रिस्क्रिप्शन वाला बोला था. NRX जो नार्कोटिक ड्रग होते हैं उसके टॉप कॉर्नर पे क्या लिखा होता है? NRX, दैट इज नार्कोटिक ड्रग. द NDPS एक्ट कब आया था? 1985. NDPS एक्ट कब आया था? 1985. आपको पता है मैक्सिमम मेंबर प्रेजेंट इन NDPS कमेटी कितने होते हैं? कमेटी कंसल्टेटिव, दैट इज 20. मैक्सिमम मेंबर प्रेजेंट इन NDPS कमेटी कंसल्टेटिव, दैट इज 20. NRX कहाँ पे लिखा होता है? रेड कलर में लिखा होता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे टॉप कॉर्नर पे. नार्कोटिक NRX का मीन्स क्या? NRX मीन्स क्या होता है? नार्कोटिक ड्रग. ओके. जो नार्कोटिक ड्रग एंड साइकोट्रॉपिक सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं एक केप्ट इन ट्रिप्लिकेट कॉपी. इसको कितनी कॉपी में लिखना पड़ता है? केप्ट करना पड़ता है. ट्रिप्लिकेट कॉपी में केप्ट करना पड़ता है. कितने ईयर्स के लिए? 2 ईयर्स के लिए. किसकी कॉपी? कॉपी ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की, शेड्यूल्ड एक्स ड्रग की. कौन से ड्रग की? शेड्यूल्ड एक्स ड्रग की. शेड्यूल एक्स में क्या आता है? नार्कोटिक ड्रग एंड साइकोट्रॉपिक सब्सटेंसेस. एंड इसकी कॉपी कब तक रखना पड़ता है? फॉर द ईयर्स ऑफ for 2 years. Okay, and maximum member present in NDPS committee, that is 20. Got it? Next question. Question number 23. The schedule to which the list of drug to be sold on prescription only belongs to the, अभी तो देखा था ये, कौन सा था? Scheduled L drug. कौन सा था? Scheduled L drug. Next question. The ex officio member of Pharmacy Council of India, that is teacher in pharmacology, a member from MCI, a representative of UGC, director of CDL. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. The ex officio member of Pharmacy Council of India is director of CDL. Next question. The drug consisting in the full or in whole in the part of any filthy, putrid or the decomposed substance is called adulterated drug. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Adulterated drug. एक सेकेंड. मिसब्रांडेड ड्रग को क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज मिसब्रांडेड ड्रग? इट इज़ नॉट लेबल इन प्रिस्क्राइब मैनर. जो प्रिस्क्राइब मैनर में लेबल नहीं होते उसे क्या बोलेंगे? मिसब्रांडेड ड्रग. मिसब्रांडेड ड्रग आर प्रोहिबिटेड टू import. Then next, एक सेकेंड. Next question. The minimum require area to open the retail drug store is 15 square meter, 10 square meter, 40 square meter or 60. Which one is correct? That is option number B, 10 square meter. Next question. A drug consists in full, in whole or in a part of any filthy, putrid or decomposed substance, that is, अभी तो देखा था ना ये, adulterated drug. Sorry, repeated question. Next, the ex officio member of Pharmacy Council of India is, ये भी repeated question है, अभी देखा, director of CDL. Next, the Pharmacy Act was passed in year, ये सबको पता है ना? ऑप्शन नंबर, the Pharmacy Act was passed in 1948. Next, what is the penalty for commercial quantity sale of the drug that cause the dependence or abuse? मी डायरेक्टली काय सांगते? करेक्ट ऑप्शन सांगते. तर करेक्ट ऑप्शन काय याचं? रिगरस इम्प्रिझनमेंट फॉर 10 lakh to the 20 year प्लस फाईन ₹1 to 2 lakh. Penalty for commercial quantity sale of the drug that cause the dependence or the abuse. Which one is correct? Rigorous imprisonment for the 10 to 20 year plus fine 1 to 2 lakh. Next question. Question number 31. The function, एक second. The function of Central Drug Laboratory is, the function of Central Drug Laboratory is to issue the repackaging license, to issue manufacturing license, to issue loan license, to analyze the sample of drug and cosmetic. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. To analyze the sample of drug and cosmetic. Next question. Investigational new drug application is. Investigational new drug application is. Which one is correct? For 32. 21 CFR 310, 21 CFR 311, 21 CFR 312. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. 21 CFR 312. Next question. Drug price order 1995 related order from time to time are enforced by CSIR, NPPA, ICMR, DBT. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct, that is NPPA. Next question. TGA is a regulatory body of which country? TGA is a regulatory body of which country? Australia, UK, Canada, Europe. The option number A is correct, that is Australia. Next question. How many nominated members are present in State Pharmacy Council? How many members? 5, 6, 4 or 7? Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. 5 nominated member are present in State Pharmacy Council. ठीक है. Next. The factory premises in respect of medical device should comply with the condition prescribed in Schedule M, M3, A and B. Option A and B. Schedule M2. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Both A and B, that is Schedule M and Schedule M3. Factory premises in respect of medical device should comply with the condition prescribed in Schedule M and Schedule M3. Next question. The sample taken by DI from the drug store shall be divided into 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. 4. Next question. Who inspect to ensure safe and hygienic condition for conduction of MTPS? That is CMHO, RMP, RMO or none of these. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct, that is CMHO. Next question. The member of Central Council are eligible for renomination, re-election, both A and B, not eligible. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Both A and B, renomination as well as re-election. Member of Central Council are eligible for renomination as well as re-election. Next question. How many members are present in Animal Welfare Board of India from Lok Sabha? A 2, B 4, C 6 and D 8. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. 4 member. Next question. The Poison Act 1999 was enacted to regulate and control import of poison, possession of poison, sale of poison, all of them. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. All of them. Import of poison, possession of poison, sale of poison. Next question. The education regulation framed by PCT are approved by state government, central government, the Drug Controller of India, Union Territory Administration. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. Central government. Next question. The DPCO was act passed in year. The DPCO act was passed in the year. In which year DPCO act was passed? That is 1966. 1966. Next question. The President Pharmacy Council of India is elected by. It is elected by the member of PCI, nominated by members of PCI, ex officio member of PCI, Pharmacy Council member. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. Pharmacy Council member. If the woman is below 18 years or it is mentally ill, whose consent is required for termination of pregnancy? That is RMP, guardian, both or none. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. That is guardian. इसका ये था. Next question. The written procedure for activity conducted in laboratory, that is standard operating procedure, records, operating procedure or none. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Standard operating procedure, that is SPOS. Next question. As per the third schedule of DPCO 1995, with a turnover of more than 6 crore per annum come under the category A, category B, category C or all. Which one is correct? ऑप्शन नंबर B is correct. Category B. Next question. GMP regulation were introduced in the form of amendment schedule M1, that is 1988, 1971, 2002, 2008. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. 1988. Next, biomedical waste from the pharmaceutical industry shall be destroyed as per the provision of Biomedical Waste Rule 1996, Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945, Factories Act 1948, or none of the above. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Biomedical Waste Rule 1996. Next question. Permission to import the finished formulation of new drug in the form number 50, 45, 45A, 46, 46A. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. 45. अभी कितने क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं? 50. फिर भी आपने लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो आई थिंक आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है सेशन की, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. तो क्या करना है आपको? लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना है ताकि और लोगों के पास भी पहुंच सके क्लास और मुझे भी इंटरेस्ट आ जाए. सो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A license form 28 or 28B remains valid from the date of issue for the periods of 2 year, 5 year, 4 year, 10 year. ये तो सबको पता होगा. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. 5 years. Next, period granted for the pharmaceutical industry to comply with the requirement of Schedule L1. That is 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. Which one is correct? That is 2 year. Period granted for pharmaceutical industry to comply with the requirement of Schedule L1, that is 2 year. Next question. Permission to initiate clinical trial with a new drug is obtained by applying form number 12, form number 11, form number 25, form number 35. Which one is correct? Option number A, form number 12. Next question. Which of the following schedule belong to the blood bank? Which of the following schedule is belong to the blood bank? Schedule C, Schedule F, Schedule C1, Schedule F1. Which one is correct? That is option number B is correct. Schedule F. Blood bank, Schedule F. Next question. All of the following drug to the Schedule C except insulins, antitoxin, adrenaline, fish liver oil. Insulins comes under the Schedule C, antitoxin C, adrenaline solution C. Which one is accept? Which one is correct for that? Accept fish liver oil. Option number D. Next question. The factory premises of medical device should comply with the conditions specified in Schedule M, Schedule M3, A or B, or A or B. Repeated है. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. A or B. Schedule M or Schedule M3. Next question. It is dangerous to take the prescription preparation except under medical supervision. Caution is seen on the label of Schedule G drugs, Schedule C drugs, Schedule C1, Schedule H. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Schedule G1. Next, Scheduled X drug of the oral liquids are marketed in packaging not exceeding 300 ml, 400 ml, 450 ml, 500 ml. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Not exceeding 300 ml. Okay. Next question. The standard for patent or proprietary medicine is given in V, U, Y, S. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Schedule V, standard for patent or the proprietary medicine, is given in the Schedule V. Next question. All of the following drug belong to the Schedule X except anti-barbital, cyanobarbital, pentobarbital, insulin. Schedule X में कौन से आते हैं? ये तीनों आते हैं except insulin. Which one is correct for that question? That is इंसुलिन। सो अभी हमने कितने क्वेश्चन किए हैं? 60 क्वेश्चन डन किए हैं। फिर भी आपने लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब किया नहीं है, प्लीज़ फ्रेंड लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लाइसेंस इज इशू फॉर मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ शेड्यूल सी C1X ड्रग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 28, 28B, 50, 25, 25F. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. 28B. License is issued for manufacture of Schedule C, C1 and X drug. Next question. The list of dyes, color and pigmented permitted to be used in the cosmetic and come under the schedule. Schedule P, Schedule Q, Schedule M2, Schedule M3. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. Schedule Q. Next question. An example of household remedy is analgesic balm, antacid preparation, gripe water, all of them. Which one is correct? Option number D. All of them are correct. Household remedies में analgesic balm, antacid preparation, gripe water सब आ गए. Next question. License is issued for manufacture of Schedule X in the form number Schedule 25, Schedule 28, 25F, 25, 28B. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. 25F. If the drug consists of any filthy, putrid or decomposed substance and it is, ये तो हो गया ना, adulterate drug था इसका आंसर. Next question. If drug is so colored powder or the polish to conceal the damage according to the Drug and Cosmetic Act, that is adulterate, spurious, misbranded or misbranded cosmetic. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct, that is misbranded drug. Next question. Import of the drugs for the personal use must not exceeding according to the Drug and Cosmetic Act 50 doses, 100 doses, 200 doses, 300 doses. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct, 100 doses. Next question. The penalty for falsely claiming to be a registered pharmacist on the first conviction, that is 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, 250 rupees, 200 rupees. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct, 500 rupees. Next question. The Pharmacy Act and Narcotropic Substance Act were enacted in respective years. In which year? 1948 and 1985. Pharmacy Act 1948 में हुआ है एंड नार्कोटिक एंड साइकोट्रॉपिक सब्सटेंस एक्ट कब हुआ है? 1985 में आया था. ओके. हाउ मेनी इलेक्टेड मेंबर आर प्रेजेंट इन PCI? 4, 6, 8, 10. Which one is correct? 8 member are present in PCI, elected member. The next one, the State Pharmacy Council constituted under the section of Pharmacy Act 1948 is 19, 20, 15A or 3. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. 19. The State Pharmacy Council constituted under the section of Pharmacy Act 1948 is 19. How many sections are presented in Pharmacy Act 1948? 5, 46, 40 or 42. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct, 46. Next question. The study of fundamental legal principle. The study of fundamental legal principle is ethics, rule, jurisprudence or none. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct, that is jurisprudence. Next question. The record of purchase and the sale of Schedule G medicines must be maintained for the period of, अभी बताया था, नहीं सॉरी इसका बताया था 2 years के लिए होता है. और रिकॉर्ड्स फॉर Schedule G ड्रग मेंटेन फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ, वो भी कितना होता है? 2 years का होता है. Next, drug legally allowed to be sold over the counter without prescription of RMP. उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? That is OTC. क्या बोलेंगे? OTC. Next question. Prescription only drug that listed in Schedule H, Schedule X, Schedule G or all of them. Which one is correct? Option number D. Prescription only drug that is listed in Schedule H, Schedule X or Schedule G. सब में आता है. Next question. Drug comes under the Schedule H should be labeled on the top corner. Come under the Schedule H should be labeled on the top corner, label with the symbol. Which symbol? कौन सा symbol होता है? That is RX. Next question. The PCI make regulation called as pharmacy regulation, education regulation, education rule or none of the above. Which one is correct? Option number B. Education regulation. Next question. Ex officio member of State Pharmacy Council is registered pharmacist, medical council member, nominated registered pharmacist, government analyst. Which one is correct? Ex officio member of State Pharmacy Council is government analyst. Next question. The state council may appoint a registrar act as it is secretary, treasurer, A and B, none of B, and none of above. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Secretary and treasurer. Next question. Drug inspector is appointed in relation to the Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani system come under the section 20, 21, 33G, 33F. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. 33G. Next question. Licensing authority is appointed by government, central government, state government, both A and B, none of the above. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Central government and state government. License authority is appointed by central government as well as the state government. Next question. The total member of DTAB is 13, 10, 15 or 18. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. How many members? Total 18 members are there in DTAB. Next question. 6 members of PCI are elected by UGC, AICTE, DCC, DTAB. Which one is correct? That is UGC. Next question. The personal handling of which of the following drugs are periodically examined for the effect of sex hormone, cytotoxic drug, potent drug, all of the above. Which one is correct? Option number D, all of the above. Sex hormone, cytotoxic drug and potent drug. Next question. The government analytic for any other drug or the cosmetic appointed 21, 20, 33G, 19. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct. That is 19. Next question. The OTC is vitamins, health tonic, cough and cold medicine, all of the above. Which one is correct? Option number B. OTC में health tonic. Okay. Next question. Explanatory clinical trial is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, none of the above. Which one is correct? Option number B is correct. That is phase 2. Next question. Which of the following is approved for the termination of pregnancy up to the 7th week according to the MTP? Which one is correct? Option number C. Both A and B. That is mifepristone or misoprostol. Which one is correct? Option number C is correct. Next question. The option opinion how many RMPS required for termination of pregnancy between 12 to 20 weeks, that is 1, 2, 3 or not necessary. Opinion of how many RMPS required for termination pregnancy between 12 to 20 weeks. Okay, which one is correct? Option number 2 is correct, that is 2. Next question. List of poisonous substance according to the Poisonous Act is or are. Is or are. Aconite, arsenic and lead, Coca digitalis, all of them. Which one is correct? Option number D. Aconite, arsenic and lead, Coca digitalis, all of the above. Next question. Drug Price Control Order 1995 are and related order from time to time are enforced by NPPA, CSIR, DBT, ICMR. Which one is correct? Option number A, NPPA. Next question. The application for the revision of retail price of schedule formulation should be submitted in the form. Form 3, Form 4, Form 5, Form 6. Which one is correct? Option number A is correct. Form number 3. Next question. Prevention of Cruelty to the Animal Act was passed in which year? 1971, 1960, 1930, 1957. Which one is correct? 1960. Next question. How much percent of margin is allowed while fixing the selling price of schedule formulation and the retail price of drug? कितनी मार्जिन होती है? 14%. How many? 16%. 14 नहीं, 16%. Next question. All of the following are controlled drug except. Which one is correct? Pethidine, phenobarbital, Prazepam or propanolol. Which one is correct? Option number D, that is propanolol. Controlled drug except. Next question. All of the following are psychotropic substance except. Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option number D is correct, that is methyl dopa. Next question. Which of the following psychotropic substance import, export and transshipment are prohibited? That is coca leaf, hemp, heroin, all of the above. Which one is correct? Option number D, all of the above. Coca leaf, hemp, heroin. Next question. Which of the following is an example of Magic Remedy Act? Kavachas, mantras, talisman and all of the above. Which one is correct? That is option number D is correct, all of the above. Next question. MRP of schedule formulation plus selling price plus काय असतं? Local taxes as applicable. MRP of schedule formulation is equal to the selling price plus local tax as applicable. Next, how many members constitute State Pharmacy Council? 15, 12, 11, 6. How many? That is 15. Next question. Floor area are required for running the pharmacy to wholesale or the distribution is 30 square meter, 15 square meter, 10 square meter, 6 square meter. That is 10 square meter. So कितने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हमने अभी 102 क्वेश्चन अभी तक हमने क्या किए हैं, डिस्कस किए. तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, इसका रिवीजन करना है. प्लस अगर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते टाइम अगर कुछ क्या हुआ मिस्टेकली अगर मैंने बोल दिया है तो उसे करेक्ट कर लेना, ठीक है. अगर कुछ गलत भी हुआ तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, ठीक है। अभी मैं कुछ आपको एडिशनल पॉइंट बताना चाहती हूँ। देखो एडिशनल पॉइंट में क्या है, एडिशनल पॉइंट, द गुड लेबोरेटरी प्रैक्टिस, द गुड लेबोरेटरी प्रैक्टिस, गुड लेबोरेटरी प्रैक्टिस कौन सा स्केड्यूल में आता है, स्केड्यूल L1, स्केड्यूल L1। नेक्स्ट स्केड्यूल एम में क्या आता है, स्केड्यूल एम गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस, गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस। स्केड्यूल एम जो है, स्केड्यूल एम के दो पार्ट है, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 में क्या आता है, गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस। पार्ट 2 में क्या आ रहा है, मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्लान, सॉरी रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्लान। पार्ट 2 में क्या आता है, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्लान। नेक्स्ट स्केड्यूल्ड एन में क्या आता है, स्केड्यूल्ड एन, स्केड्यूल्ड एन कंटेन लिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट टू रन फार्मेसी, लिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट टू रन फार्मेसी इन स्केड्यूल्ड एन। स्केड्यूल्ड M1 में क्या आता है, स्केड्यूल M1 में क्या आता है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ होम्योपैथिक ड्रग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ होम्योपैथिक ड्रग। नेक्स्ट केटामाइन किसका एग्जाम्पल था, बताया था, केटामाइन NDPS, that is narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. This is the general anesthetic, this is general anesthetic, it is slowly acting and it cause hallucination, it cause hallucination. Next question, thalidomide, thalidomide next example comes under the schedule H, come under the schedule H, it cause phocomelia, it cause phocomelia and it have side effects, which one, that is teratogenic effect, it have teratogenic effect. Next question, amoxicillin, next example amoxicillin, amoxicillin come under the schedule P, amoxicillin come under the schedule P, it is in schedule P क्या आता है, लाइफ पीरियड ऑफ ड्रग, लाइफ पीरियड ऑफ ड्रग। स्केड्यूल्ड H में और कौन सा बताया था, आइबुप्रोफेन बताया, आइबुप्रोफेन कौन से स्केड्यूल में आता है, स्केड्यूल H में आता है। स्केड्यूल्ड H में कौन से ड्रग आते हैं, लिस्ट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग, लिस्ट ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग। नेक्स्ट क्लास 3 एंड क्लास 4 जनरेशन एंटीबायोटिक आर कम्स अंडर द स्केड्यूल H1, क्या बोला मैंने, क्लास 3 एंड क्लास 4 जनरेशन एंटीबायोटिक कम इन स्केड्यूल H1, स्केड्यूल H1, that is anti-TB drug, anti-TB drug and psychotropic substances. Next question, शेड्यूल्ड H1, शेड्यूल्ड H1 में क्या होता है, शेड्यूल्ड H1, it should be registered in the book with the name of patient, address, prescriber, belong with a quantity, supply. शेड्यूल्ड H1 में क्या रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करना है, शुड बी रजिस्टर्ड इन द बुक विथ अ नेम ऑफ पेशेंट, एड्रेस, प्रिस्क्राइबर, बिलोंग विथ अ क्वांटिटी, सप्लीमेंट। ओके, H1 की वार्निंग क्या होती है, व्हाट इज वार्निंग फॉर H1, scheduled H1 drug, it is dangerous to take this prescription, it is dangerous to take this prescription except in accordance with a medical advice, not to be sold by without RMP, that is registered medical practitioner। क्या होता है, it is dangerous to take this prescription preparation except in accordance with a medical advice, not to be sold by without RMP। ओके, नेक्स्ट स्केड्यूल P में क्या आता है, स्केड्यूल P कंटेन पैक साइज ऑफ ड्रग, Schedule C contain pack size of drug. Next, what is NRX? NRX कहाँ पे लिखा होता है? NRX रेड कलर पे लिखा होता है लेफ्ट साइड पे टॉप कॉर्नर पे. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड टॉप कॉर्नर पे लिखा होता है ऑन द ड्रग. दैट मीन्स नार्कोटिक ड्रग तो होता है NRX. और नेक्स्ट और क्या होता है? न्यू प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रिक्वायर्ड. NRX मीन्स क्या होता है? न्यू प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रिक्वायर्ड. व्हाट इज XRX? व्हाट इज XRX? XRX मीन्स होता है जनरल लेबलिंग ड्रग. XRX मीन्स जनरल लेबलिंग ड्रग. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज स्केड्यूल्ड आर? स्केड्यूल्ड आर में क्या होता है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर मैकेनिकल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर मैकेनिकल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव कंटेंट included in the schedule R. Next question, what is schedule H? scheduled H की warning क्या होती है? To be sold by retail, to be sold by retail on the prescription of registered medical practitioner only. To be sold by retail on the prescription of registered medical practitioner only in schedule H. Next, what is OTC? OTC means क्या होता है? Over the counter. OTC means क्या होता है? Over the counter. Next, scheduled M1 में क्या बताया था? Scheduled M1 of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and the Rules 1945 deals with the homeopathic drug. कौन सा? Homeopathic. Scheduled M1 contain homeopathic medicine. What is M2? Scheduled M2 में क्या आता है? कॉस्मेटिक. स्केड्यूल्ड M2 में क्या आता है? कॉस्मेटिक्स. नेक्स्ट, स्केड्यूल्ड M3 में क्या आता है? स्केड्यूल्ड M3 में क्या आता है? मेडिकल डिवाइस. स्केड्यूल्ड M3 में क्या आता है? मेडिकल डिवाइस. नेक्स्ट, और क्या बताया था मैंने? हाँ, इंट्रा यूटेराइन डिवाइस आर टेस्टेड एट सेंट्रल ड्रग टेस्टिंग लेबोरेटरी ठाणे. सेंट्रल ड्रग टेस्टिंग लेबोरेटरी ठाणे, that is IUD, intrauterine device are tested at Central Drug Testing Laboratory Thane. Next, sera, vaccine, toxin, antigen, antitoxin are tested at sera, vaccine, toxin, antigen, antitoxin are tested at Central Research Institute Kasauli. Central Research Institute Kasauli. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यहाँ तक के समझा? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सेंट्रल ड्रग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इज सिचुएटेड एट. सेंट्रल ड्रग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इज सिचुएटेड एट लखनऊ. कहाँ पे सिचुएटेड है? लखनऊ. सेंट्रल ड्रग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इज सिचुएटेड एट लखनऊ. नेक्स्ट, सेंट्रल ड्रग लेबोरेटरी. सेंट्रल ड्रग लेबोरेटरी is situated at Calcutta. Is situated at Calcutta to analyze for the analysis of drug and cosmetic. Analysis of drug and cosmetic. Next, sample of condoms are tested at. Sample of condom are tested at Indian Pharmacopoeial Laboratory, Ghaziabad. Where? Indian Pharmacopoeial Laboratory, Ghaziabad. 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 Indian Pharmacopoeial Laboratory, Ghaziabad. Next, which schedule contain the different types of forms in Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945? Which scheduled previous year question है guys. Which schedule contain different types of forms in Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945? That is scheduled A. In which schedule? Schedule A. Next question. Schedule B में क्या आता है? Rate of fees for the test and analysis. Schedule B में क्या आता है? Rates of fees for test and analysis. Next, Schedule C में क्या आता है? Biological and immunological substance. Biological and immunological substances. Next question. Schedule C also contain the parenteral drug. Also contain parenteral drug. Schedule C1 में क्या आता है? C1 contain non-parenteral drug. C1 contain non-parenteral drug. Next question. License for retail sale of the Schedule C. License for retail sale of Schedule C and the C1 drug comes in the form number. In which form? Form number 21. And wholesale का फॉर्म नंबर क्या है? होलसेल का फॉर्म नंबर 21B. License for retail sale of the Schedule C and the C1 drug is form number 21. And the license for wholesale sale of the Schedule C and C1 drug is in the form number 21B. Next, repackaging is not granted for Schedule C and C1 drug. Repackaging is not granted for Schedule C and C1 drug. Kept in the mind, most important question. Okay. Next, so what is about the Schedule G? Schedule D. Schedule D contain drug exempted from import. Drug exempted from import. Okay. Next, misbranded drug are belong to the which section of D&C Act? Misbranded drug belong to the which section of D&C Act? That is 33E. Next, misbranded drug means क्या होता है? Misbranded drug means क्या होता है? It is not labeled in prescribed manner. It is not labeled in prescribed manner. That means misbranded drug. Misbranded drug are prohibited to import. Misbranded drug are prohibited to import. Next, what is 33C? What is 33C? 33C contain Ayurvedic and Siddha drug. Ayurvedic and Siddha drug. Next, what is adulterated drug? What is adulterated drug? If the drug contain any harmful or the toxic substance, any harmful or the toxic substances which may render it is injurious to health, that is called adulterated drug. That is called adulterated drug. If the drug contain any harmful or the toxic substances which may render it is injurious to health, that is called adulterated drug. Adulterated drug comes in section 17A. Adulterated drug comes under the section 17A. Adulterated drug for the Ayurvedic. Adulterated drug for the Ayurvedic Unani drugs comes in section 33E. Adulterated drug for the Ayurvedic and the Unani drug section comes in 33E. Next, spurious drug comes under the section 17B. Comes under the 17B. And misbranded drug comes under the section 17. Misbranded drug comes under the section 17. Next, misbranded for Ayurvedic and Unani comes under the section 33E, misbranded for the Ayurvedic and Unani section come under the section 33E. Next, under the Drug and Cosmetic Act, the rules are divided into how many parts? How many parts? 18 parts. देखा था हमने. Drug and Cosmetic Act was passed in 1940. डेट क्या बताई थी? 10th April 1940. And rules come in 1945. Okay, next. Which form is given by licensing authority for certificate of GMP of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug? That is form number 26E1. Which form is given by the licensing authority for the certificate of GMP of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug? That is form number 26E1. What is certificate of renewal of license to repack? To repack of the drug other than Schedule C and C1 drug. What is the certificate of renewal of license to repack of the drug and other than Schedule C and C1 drug? That is form number 26B. That is form number 26B. Next question. What is form number 26? What is form number 26C? That is certificate of renewal of license to manufacture homeopathic medicines. What is form number 26C? Certificate of renewal of license to manufacture of homeopathic medicine. Next, form number 24D. Form number 24D. Form number 24D contain certificate of renewal of license to manufacture of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug. Form number 24D contain certificate of renewal of license to manufacture Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug. That is form number 24D. Next, when was the Drug and Cosmetic Act was passed? 10th April 1940. The Drug and Cosmetic Act was amended in 1955. And the latest amendment is 2016. Updated है ये. Next question. The label of Scheduled X drug. The label of Scheduled X drug contains symbol in the left hand top corner is. The label of Scheduled X drug. कौन सा पूछा है? Scheduled X drug contain the symbol in the left hand top corner, that is XRX. क्या लिखा रहता है? XRX. The Schedule X में क्या आता है? नार्कोटिक ड्रग एंड साइकोट्रोपिक सब्सटेंस. इसकी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कॉपी जो होती है कितने साल के लिए केप्ट करना पड़ता है? इधर ट्रिप्लिकेट फॉर्म 2 years के लिए. कितने ईयर्स के लिए? 2 years के लिए. व्हाट इज NRX? NRX में क्या आता है? नार्कोटिक ड्रग. NRX में क्या आता है? नार्कोटिक ड्रग. NDPS एक्ट कब आया था? 1985. नेक्स्ट क्या रह गया अभी? मैक्सिमम मेंबर प्रेजेंट इन NDPS कमेटी कितने होते हैं? 20. मैक्सिमम मेंबर प्रेजेंट इन NDPS कमेटी कंसल्टेटिव, दैट इज 20 मेंबर्स. नेक्स्ट अभी क्या बच गया? व्हाट इज RX? RX मीन्स क्या होता है? यू टेक दो. RX कम अंडर, एक सेकेंड, RX कौन से पार्ट में आता है? इंस्क्रिप्शन, सुपरस्क्रिप्शन, सब्सक्रिप्शन, ये होमवर्क है आपके लिए। आपको बताना है RX कहाँ पे आता है, सुपरस्क्रिप्शन में आता है, सब्सक्रिप्शन में आता है, इंस्क्रिप्शन में आता है। सो गाइस, आपको बताना है सेशन कैसा रहा, और आप सबको क्या करना है, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब भी करना है और क्लास को रिविज़न करना है, रिवाइज भी करना है। ओके, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, हैव अ नाइस डे।